Hello friends, today I will make this tutorial about a recent YouTube internal issue for the monetization icon not showing. At first, go to my YouTube studio and check the monetization icon status as all other YouTube channels. Friends, my channel is monetized, but I cannot show revenue options in my dashboard. There is no monetized logo in my all content. There is no $sign also. But I can see my revenue from channel analytics. Friends, don't worry, this problem is created from YouTube's internal side for checking bug. Not only you, every channel is also now in the same condition. Don't worry, your channel is not demonetized. Please wait a few hours to resolve this issue automatically from YouTube team. When we try to contact with YouTube team, they reply to us about this issue and officially said they will fix this issue within a few hours. After a few hours, they solve this issue. So, let's go to the YouTube studio again and check the monetized icon issue status. When I click on content, then I can see all video monetized is on. That means our problem is solved. Thanks, YouTube team, for their quick response to fix this internal issue. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.